Hi children, welcome to my YouTube channel YTS Tutors. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. So I am discussing IIT JEE Physics. So up to now I discussed in kinematics chapter. So that is distance, displacement, velocity, speed, average velocity, then average acceleration. So now I want to discuss the directions of velocity and acceleration, where it is, in which direction both are. If both are in same direction, what happens? Both are in opposite direction. If it is acceleration and velocity, if they are in opposite directions, so what happens, we will see in this class. Before going to discussion, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Look here, this is a chapter kinematics. This is a chapter kinematics. So already we know acceleration equal to change in velocity by change in time. Change in velocity by change in time. So that means v minus u by t. V minus u by t. So here v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, this is a change in time. So change in velocity by change in time. So acceleration is vector, velocity is vector. Both are vector quantities. So that means it has magnitude and direction. Both has magnitude and direction. Look here, A is vector, velocity is also vector. If a particle is moving in this direction, it has velocity u. So velocity is a vector quantity, so it has velocity in this direction. If acceleration also, if it is in same direction, so then the particle velocity increases. Particle velocity increases when the velocity direction, acceleration both are in the same direction. The particle velocity increases. Particle velocity increases. That means here this is acceleration direction, this is velocity direction. So the particle moves from A, the velocity, for example, it initially 10 meter per second, goes on increasing to 20 meter per second. Then we can say the particle is in accelerated motion. The particle is in accelerated motion. So here we are discussing the velocity of the particle is v, acceleration of the particle a. If both are in same direction, the velocity is increasing. The velocity is increasing. So this is the first case here. Acceleration direction, velocity direction, both are in the same. Velocity of the particle increases. Velocity of the particle increases. I think you are understanding this well. This is acceleration, this is velocity direction. Both are in the same direction. Velocity of the particle is increases. So now the second case I am discussing here. See here, a particle, otherwise a ball, is moving like this in this direction. The velocity direction in this direction. The ball is moving on the floor. The ball is moving on the floor with velocity u. When the ball is moving, the frictional force acts opposite to the motion of the ball. So here frictional force. This is a frictional force. This is velocity of the direction. The ball is moving in this direction, but frictional force acts in this opposite to the velocity direction due to the floor. This is the floor. So the floor acting on the ball, frictional force in this direction, velocity it is moving in this direction. In this case, what happens? So the acceleration direction towards frictional force, velocity direction in this direction. So both are in opposite direction. So here velocity direction in this direction, then acceleration direction this direction. So both are in opposite directions. So what happens? The ball moves. It is moving with the initial velocity, for example 10 meter per second. It goes some distance. For example 1 meter. Then it goes to rest. Then go back to acceleration direction. The ball moves some distance, otherwise it covers some displacement. Then it goes to rest. Then returns to the acceleration direction. It moves in the acceleration direction. Initially it is moving in this direction, but the frictional force acts opposite to the velocity of this ball. So here acceleration direction towards this one. So velocity direction this direction. So in the velocity direction it goes up to velocity goes to 0. So up to go to rest position, then goes back to in the accelerated direction. So the ball will accelerated in this direction. So simply what happens here in this case, this is a case, velocity in this direction, acceleration opposite to the velocity direction. Then any particle or any body starts from some velocity and goes to rest, then goes back and return back to the acceleration direction. So if it is acceleration in this direction, the body goes opposite to the initial direction. Initially it is moving, goes to rest and go back to the acceleration direction. This is an important case in kinematics. If you go for MSET or IIT JEE, whatever it is, this is a main concept. So I am giving one more example for this one. If you project a ball, if you project a ball upward side, so this is a projection a body upward case. So here what happens, we are projecting a body or a ball with velocity u. Then what happens there, here on this ball gravitational force acts downwards. So gravitational acceleration g vector is acting downwards, but velocity vector upward, gravitational acceleration acting downwards. So both are in opposite phase. So what happens here, the ball goes up, then finally here the velocity becomes 0. It starts with initial velocity is not equal to 0. It has some velocity, but at higher position the ball goes to 0 position, velocity goes to 0. So it comes to rest, then goes back to coming to the earth. So this is a situation happens when we project a body upward. So what happens here, we are projecting a body with initial velocity not equal to 0, then the body goes to at higher point, at higher point the velocity becomes 0, u not equal to 0, then here v becomes 0, then the ball goes down to the earth with gravitational acceleration. So initially gravitational acceleration downward side, velocity upward side. In this case the velocity goes to 0, comes to rest, then goes back, then accelerated in the gravitational acceleration direction. So generally the ball goes up and goes back to onto the earth. This is a situation in projection of a body in upward direction. So here what happens here, gravitational acceleration acting downwards, velocity direction upwards. In this place what happens, the body goes up and comes to earth. So this is a velocity, here the velocity equals 0, then goes back to, and it is accelerating in direction of gravitational acceleration. This is the concept of direction of velocity and acceleration. So I discussed here two cases. When acceleration and velocity both are in same direction, the particle velocity increases. In second case, the velocity and acceleration are in opposite direction. Here what happens, the particle velocity goes to 0, then accelerated into in the direction of acceleration direction, in the direction of acceleration. So second case, the body goes to rest, then goes back, return back to in acceleration direction. For example, it is in the acceleration direction. If it is acceleration direction, the body accelerated in this direction only. Initially it goes to this direction, goes to rest, then comes back to like this. So this is the cases in kinematics. If you go for IIT or JEE, whatever in physics exams, this is important case. In which velocity direction is there? In west, acceleration direction is there. Both are in the same direction, what happens? Both are in opposite direction, what happens? I discussed like this. If you understand well, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.